There was a time when changing your phone battery was simple. Just remove the back cover, replace the battery, and your phone was ready again. So why did smartphone companies stop giving us removable batteries? The answer begins with design evolution. As phones became thinner and more powerful, engineers needed every bit of space inside. A sealed battery allowed manufacturers to create slimmer bodies, larger batteries, better cameras, and stronger designs. It also improved water and dust resistance because fewer openings meant better protection. But this change came with a downside. When modern batteries lose capacity after years of use, replacing them is no longer a simple task. Repairs became more complicated and often required professional tools. So, removable batteries disappeared not because they were useless, but because smartphone design priorities changed. Technology traded easy replacement for thinner designs, more power, and better durability. This is the hidden story behind the phones we use every day.